Let's talk about listings, because great marketing sells homes faster. AI can now write high-quality property descriptions in seconds. Instead of writing 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, AI can turn that into step into this beautifully maintained 3-bedroom retreat featuring natural light, modern finishes, and a backyard perfect for entertaining. Better descriptions, each or more clicks. More clicks, ye more showings, ye faster sales. AI can also suggest pricing insights, generate listing videos, create virtual staging, write ads for Facebook and Google. The agents using AI aren't replacing their skills. They're enhancing their marketing. Remember, you're not just listing homes, you're marketing experiences. AI helps you do that faster and better.